Everybody is looking for ways to create a harmonious society. Unity in diversity, lessons for a harmonious society. In today's world, diversity is not just a reality, but a strength. Embracing our differences can lead to a more harmonious society. Let's explore how unity in diversity can be achieved. Ronald L. Watts and Rupak Chattopadhyay delve into how federalism can help diverse communities build stronger, more cohesive societies. Imagine a world where federal systems spark creativity and innovative solutions. The book highlights the importance of open dialogue and mutual respect in federal systems. It's like a recipe. Blend various ingredients to create something amazing. Learning from historical examples and implementing inclusive policies are key. Education also plays a huge role in federal systems. Teaching respect and understanding from a young age fosters a culture of inclusivity. And don't forget community building activities. They strengthen ties and promote unity. In short, federalism isn't just a challenge, it's a superpower for managing diversity. Let's embrace it and build a better, more inclusive and peaceful world together. Are you ready to start this journey? I don't think people understand the true power of diversity. Building on and accommodating diversities. As we move forward, it's essential to build on our diverse backgrounds. By accommodating and respecting each other's differences, we can create a more inclusive and understanding community. Ronald L. Watts and Rupak Chattopadhyay provide some fascinating insights in their work. Unity in diversity, learning from each other, building on and accommodating diversities. The key lies in active listening and empathy. When we genuinely listen to others, we open ourselves to new perspectives and ideas. It's about seeing diversity as an asset rather than a barrier. Think about it. Each culture, each background brings unique strengths to the table. By accommodating these diversities, we create a richer, more dynamic society. The authors emphasize the importance of policies that support inclusivity and representation. This means not just tolerating differences, but celebrating. Imagine workplaces where different viewpoints lead to groundbreaking innovations, or communities where everyone feels valued and included. Watts and Chattopadhyay highlight examples like Canada's multicultural policies and India's federal structure. These examples show how embracing diversity can lead to social harmony and progress. Together, we can make a difference. Ready to embrace the power of diversity?